Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to turn an LED on and off using a simple tactile push button. First, let's set up our circuit on the breadboard. We'll connect pin D18 to one side of the push button and the other side to ground. Then, we'll connect pin D23 to the positive leg of the LED and the negative leg to ground. Now, let's dive into the code. We've defined two pins. Pin 23 for the LED and pin 18 for the button. For our pin modes, we've set the LED as an output and the button as an input pull-up. Once the loop starts, the digitalRead function captures the button state and stores it in the button state variable. Since we're using a pull-up resistor, a low state means the button is actually being pressed. When that happens, it triggers the LED to turn on, otherwise the LED stays off. Now let's upload the code and see it in action.